about your man them. Talk too much, me no like them. See me with my people, you for stand firm. Tell me no. Man, you just a fuck up and bullshit. When we wake up, we dey do shit. Your woman cry, she a lose it.
Wonderful people, welcome back once again to my channel. So if you are new on this channel, my name is Hertty Kem. I am a makeup artist in real life and also on YouTube. So if you'd like to embark on this journey with me here on YouTube, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a video. So without further ado, let's jump right into my video. But if you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up. Unless you are new on this channel, this has always been my go-to concealer from MAC. Like seriously, I like the fact that it's too, it's dry, and sometimes I set it, sometimes I don't. Sometimes I set it when I really don't have a problem with my eyeshadow, but sometimes I believe if I don't set it, it makes the eyeshadow more pigmented and easy for me. But sometimes I do also set it, it depends. So for my crease, I really like bright colors for my crease. I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, regular. And of course, if you don't have the palette, you can also use any color that is similar to what I am using now. And then I'll start from here where my crease is. And I will go in with Cypress Amber to darken my crease. And to cut my crease, I'm going to use Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in C5 to cut my crease. If you are like me, that really like cut crease eyeshadow tutorials, I will actually advise you to get this brush that I am using. It's Zoeva Cream Shader in the number 233. It's very good for cutting crease. I recommend that you get this brush if you like cutting crease. And the palette that I'll be using is from BH Cosmetics, Take Me Back to Brazil. I really like bright colors nowadays. So that's it. And these are the colors that I am going to use. This and that. And the foundation that I will be using is from L'Oreal, and as always, that's what I use. And the concealer that I will be using is LA Pro Concealer. And to contour, I'm going to use a darker shade from the same L'Oreal foundation. And to set my whole face, I'm going to use benign banana powder. And to contour my face, I'm going to use Nyx Contour Palette. I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me powder to set my whole face. And to set my whole face, I'm going to use Makeup Revolution Fix Me powder. And I'm going to use Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter. That's my go-to highlighter on this channel. And for my blush, I'm going to use anything from my NYX palette, any color that I like. I will go for orange this year, and that's it. I normally use that here on this channel.